Hello and welcome to Bforex.com Global Market Review. The only data released on Friday came from the Eurozone. We saw the German PPI came in at minus 0.6%, significantly lower than the forecasted figure of minus 0.4%. We did see a steady decline in German PPI from a positive figure of 2%. Therefore, this was again negative data for the Eurozone. However, this is not surprising as the global economies have been on tremendous slowdown. Important to bear in mind that the recent financial storm has been the greatest crisis in the financial sector in the US since the Great Depression, and it's likely that the global economic hangover is likely to linger on for years as repercussions from this. The saga continued yesterday as US Treasury Secretary Paulson stated that the US government is going to take over around $700 billion of troubled assets from US banks. This is in order to help stabilize the US financial sector. The details will be hammered out later this week. Now let's go to Robert for a look at the commodities markets.
Some big questions started to arise in the commodity markets at the end of last week. This because of the weakness the US dollar has shown because of the financial sector crisis. Commodity prices are set to rise on the basis that speculators are going to come into the market believing that a weak dollar will cause commodity prices to rise. Gold has maintained a relatively high price, and crude oil has in fact traded between $100 and $105 a barrel right now. What we're going to see is speculators versus fundamentalists come into play. Fundamentalists believe that a weak economy is going to keep commodity prices low. We shall see. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert. The most important data to watch out for today will be from Canada, the retail sales figures. This will be very important to watch. Could cause volatility all across the board for the Canadian dollar if we see any surprise here. However, from the US, no key data is expected, so watch that on this week where we have key employment, housing and durable goods orders numbers. All of these figures are important for an indication as to how the US economy is currently coping with the financial sector crisis. Also keep an eye on the details of the US government financial sector bailout, which will be hammered out later this week. This will determine where equity markets go, also the direction of the dollar. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your trading this week.